So I used to put the 360 camera on here quite a bit, but lately I haven't been doing it as much. I've been using the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, just because the 360 camera, although it does have better battery life, just the editing is so damn time consuming, because it chops up your 30-minute video into 7-minute clips that you have to export from the camera to your phone via Wi-Fi, which takes anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. And then after it exports, you have to go in and edit it and make it into like a normal footage. And then after that, you have to render that. So you gotta pretty much make that clip, and that takes anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour. This is for a 7-minute clip. And then after that, you got to export it to your phone, which takes maybe 5 seconds. But it takes so much time to do each 7-minute video that I pretty much just stopped doing it. If I'm going on a short ride, I might just break out the camera, like a 15-minute ride or whatever. But most group rides, people are trying to stay out for an hour or two, or maybe 3, so it's not really worth it in that case. So I've just been using the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, but today I actually forgot the camera at home. I actually pulled out of my driveway and went down the street, and then realized it wasn't there, and I was like, fuck it, I'm not going back for it, because it's supposed to rain pretty soon, if you couldn't tell already. So thank you for watching this episode of Ride with Deacon. I'm trying to come up with new content, but it's kind of hard. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so already. I'll try to come out with some review videos. I'll definitely spend a little bit more time on the review videos than I did with my last ones. Try to do a little bit more research before I make the video, and try to make some better edits and video footage. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.